Through Single Touch Payroll, you can lodge your payroll data to the ATO. The individual lodgements are called pay events, and this video will show you the process of creating and lodging a pay event. You can create a pay event when you finalize a pay run. This can be done as part of the finalization options. Alternatively, you can manually create the pay event later by selecting the Lodge Pay Run with ATO button from a finalized pay run. The pay event screen will display a list of employees in that pay run and their year-to-date earnings. If you wish to check for a particular employee, you can filter the list by name from the left, but it will not affect the data lodged to the ATO. The entire list will be lodged. Also, if you wish to view the figures from just the associated pay run, you can do so using the Show Figures from this pay run option. If required, you can enter in an employee's reportable fringe benefits amount by selecting the pencil icon next to it and then entering in the figure. There is also a tick box listed as Is Final. This tick box is to report that these earnings will be the final payments to this employee for the financial year. This tick box is automatically selected when the employee is terminated from within the pay run. From the Actions menu, you can also perform several actions including exporting an Excel version of the pay event, manually adding an employee to the pay event, and more. If you wish to delete the pay event, you can do so by using the Delete Event button on the right. Once you are ready to proceed with lodging the pay event, select the Lodge with ATO button. If you are lodging as a business owner, you can sign the declaration with the checkbox. The lodgement will then proceed and display the status window. You can then navigate away from the page if you wish and continue with other tasks. The lodgement will continue in the background. If you're lodging as a BAS or tax agent, then if you don't have a standing authority recorded, you will need to request authority from the client. This will send a request to the client to authorize the lodgement, at which point you can proceed with the lodgement if you wish. You can select your client authority that the client provided you, or alternatively, if you have a standing authority, you can select that and proceed with the lodgement. Once you have lodged the pay event, you can then minimize this window and continue with other tasks. The lodgement will continue in the background. If you wish to review previous lodgements, you can do so by navigating to the Reports and then the Single Touch Payroll screen.